Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So as you know that we have already done or completed our English literature work. Now we are revising English literature and grammar both. So today we are going to revise our chapter from right now. So let's start our today's work. First of all, we are going to mention date, which is Thursday, 28th of January 2021. It's your English literature lecture, and I am your English teacher Anam. Your textbook is Read Now. Topic Sports. We are going to solve book back exercise of this chapter. It is on page number 135. And you know that what is sports. Okay, if you remember the chapter, it is a chapter about leopard. Okay, which was killing many villagers for its food. So now let's start our back exercise. Open your Read Now, page number 135. So we are solving, can you tell? So our first question is complete the following table. The first one is done for you. Now look at this: father, mother and young one. If you remember, we have done diminutives. Okay, so lion, lioness and cub. As you know that we have already solved it, so this book is solved now. Okay, tiger, tigress and baby tiger is called cub. Bull, cow and calf. Stallion, mare and foal. Tomcat, mollycat is correct. Cat is also correct. Kitten, billy goat, nanny goat and kid. We say as brave as lion. Following, complete the following by adding the name of an animal. It is called. These are called metaphors. Okay, so as heavy as an elephant. We have to complete it by adding the name of an animal. As heavy as an elephant. As cunning as a fox. What comes to your mind when we say something is cunning? A fox came to your mind. As fast as a leopard. As stubborn as a mule. As strong as a horse. Now question number 3. When we speak of a certain shade of color, we sometimes say it is the color of a well-known object like this. Sea green. Which color is missing from each of the following? When we are talking about green, we give it or say that it is just like sea green color. Now what is missing? Snow, white obviously, sky, blue, blood, red, primrose, yellow, nut, brown. The lion, tiger and leopard have colors which help them to approach their prey without being seen. Name the three animals which have a coloring which helps them to escape from their enemies. Okay, we know about the snakes. Weasel and Arctic fox are examples of these animals. Now turn the page. The creature of the cat family attack their prey with teeth and claws. How do the following creatures attack or defend themselves? Now elephant use their tusks, alligator use their teeth, buffalo legs, horse legs, wasp sting, crab hardshell, snake fangs, hedgehog spines, a rabbit teeth, snail shell. Rewrite the following sentences using the plural of the words in italic. Italics is a writing font, you can see here. Fox is in italic writing and sheep is also. You have to solve this exercise by yourself. I know that you have done it before. The fox, now we will write the foxes. As you can see here, disturb the sheep. The plural for sheep is sheep. The foxes disturb the sheep. The lion killed the ox. The lions killed the oxen. The wolf attacked the deer. The wolves attacked the deer. The child ran to the calf. The children ran to the calves. The mouse ran into that small hole. Now mouse, that hole. Mouse will be changed into mice, ran into those small holes. Okay, now move to the next exercise, which is exercise number 7. Join each of the following pairs of sentences to form one sentence without using and, but or so. We can't use and, but or so. So what we have to do, we will remove full stop and just write the small letter of the pronoun will write in small letter, like the tiger crouched in the long grass, full stop. He was about to spring on his prey. Now we will write the tiger crouched in the long grass. He was about to spring on his prey. The hunter saw a leopard. He raised his gun to shoot it. He will be small and a full stop will be erased. In Egypt, cats were worshipped. They were considered sacred animals. Full stop will be erased. They were considered sacred animals. Now explain the meaning of the each of the following. It was raining cats and dogs. When it rains heavily, we say that it was raining cats and dogs. These are proverbs. Okay. The stupid boy let the cat out of the bag. The stupid boy revealed the secret. When someone reveals the secret or tell something which should not be tell or which is not supposed to be told, it this proverb will be used. A cat may look at the king. Even a person of lower status has rights. Obviously, even a person of lower status, they can speak or talk to the king or the person who is ruling over the country. He behaved like a cat on hot bricks. He was unable to remain still. Okay, when the cat's away, the mice will play. Obviously, this usually happens in the class. When teacher is outside from the class, students usually used to play in the class. Okay, you can fit this proverb on your on this example as well. Okay, so this was our topic for today. If you have any kind of problem, you know how to contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.